keep it rolling. And our next speaker for today, we know her personally because she is part of our TNC family. Carmelita or Carmi De Leon is a global Filipino woman who exemplifies wholeness, beauty, and love for family. After spending more than 3 decades in the corporate world, Carmi left her executive post to repurpose and bless people on a larger scale. As a well-being advocate, Carmi pursues her passion for happy and healthy lifestyle as a corporate wellness coach, pound fitness instructor, author, artist, speaker, and trainer. She also amplifies this advocacy as a host and content creator of TNC's weekly program, Inspiring Moments. Untiring and unstoppable, Carmi is the co-founder of CEO of SWAN, or Sustainability World Act Now, a social enterprise that aims to promote environmental health and meaningful relationships while playing an active role in several organizations.
And as Carmi says, we are beautifully connected to rise and reveal the promises of happy and healthy life. Some fun facts about Carmi. A servant leader, Carmi loves leading by example. By serving others, she gets the heart of the people and draw them closer to her mission. Carmi has a trouble in resting. She's untamable. I think that's true. I saw just earlier. She rocks and dances with at the gym and in the same level as the younger generation. And she rarely says no. It's always why not? And she makes it happen. Same things, she inspires, among others, to take every opportunity and be a blessing 24/7. She's super friendly and socially well, but can be ballistic if provoked. So not sure if this is fun or scary though. Streaming live from Enduran Extension, Pasig City, ladies and gentlemen, Carmi Pascual.
Hello, everyone. It is an honor for me to speak to all of you today as one of the faces or ambassadors of GWWR 2023. I believe that we are divinely intertwined and beautifully connected to demonstrate God's love. And even before I was born, I know I was destined to share this story to all of you today on how we are all beautifully connected to be a force for good and to bless one another. Allow me to share with you some of my life stories. I discovered my strength and self-compassion when I got pregnant at the age of 21. I was clueless, emotionally and financially unprepared, and I learned the hard way. I thank God because I thought that was the end of my life, but I realized it was my biggest breakthrough. You know, back then I had to remind myself every morning that I am unique, special, beautiful. I am imperfect, but I am capable of doing great things, that I can do it, that I am worthy in the eyes of God. You know, it wasn't easy, but I practiced gratefulness, saying thank you every day. I realized that heartbreaks are preparation for bigger breakthroughs. This is not to stop you, but to make you better. I held on to the love and support of my families and friends. I focused on my core competencies. I discerned things and guard my thoughts every day through prayers. It wasn't easy, but I became more prayerful, faithful than fearful. And you know, from self-love and self-care, I gravitated towards selflessness. And over the years, I built my brand as an overachiever and gained recognition. And I know this is not because of sheer talent and determination. It was because of divine orchestration. It was a gift. I was beautifully connected with myself, with God, and of course, with my family and friends. Therefore, there's no need for any social media validation, no need to compare, no competition. I just make things work for me, and I just want to be a blessing to others. And you know, at this point, I'm 57 with a waistline of 27. I'm happily married for 35 years with the same man, gifted with 4 children and 4 grandchildren, and in few days, 5 grandchildren, few weeks perhaps. I feel no lack. It is all about praise and raise. I rise every day to give back, to pay it forward. I live in peace and confidence, and I want all of you to feel the same happiness and gratefulness. I speak my mind and do things with good intentions. I bless myself by taking full charge of my health and my thoughts, my words, my actions. And of course, I protect my circle. It is very important to me that I remain beautifully connected with our Creator. You know, I learned that life is not all about fame and material gains, not even possessions or positions. It's about how you impact lives. After working hard and smart for more than 3 decades, I learned that success doesn't lead to happiness. You know, you have to be happy. Happiness leads to success. When we are at peace with ourselves, when we are free from insecurity, hatred, envy, and other negative emotions, we are more focused and passionate at work, at home, and with anyone that we get in contact with. And this is important when we really want to be beautifully connected. It takes conscious effort and mindfulness. And I'm so thankful to God that I am always blessed and guided. I urge you to look back and reflect on your most trying times and imagine how you thrived with the help of God, the people around you, and of course, with your inner strength. Take a closer look. You never know, you have never been alone, right? Now shape your mindset and change the way you do things. Make it a little better. Give more. Recognize, be more thankful. Appreciate the people in your life. Say it, hug them, embrace them. They are your angels, and there are more roaming around. Angels with invisible wings. They are on standby, waiting to be tapped, waiting for you to reach out. So to be a blessing to others, nurture your relationships and be generous in giving. It's not always financial. You can have ears to listen, eyes that see the goodness in everyone. We are all awesome creatures. So let's all be excited in meeting people, and because we know we never know what will happen next. No, I can't wait to unveil more exciting things in my life. So I urge you to be readily available to listen, to understand. We're all on this good fight together. Embrace the gift and enjoy every moment. Love all the changes and lift everything to God. Make all things new. Reach out to more people, harmonize and flourish. We are meant to lift, encourage, and empower one another. So you will be amazed to see and look at the GWWR sisters. Allow me and the rest of my sisters to grow in synergy with you, to instill wellness and bless humanity. We are here for a reason. We are beautifully connected. Happy International Women's Month to everyone.